This video is going to guide you with everything related to cloud computing, its meaning, benefits, risks, tips, and an all-inclusive checklist for selecting the provider. Click on the favorable timestamps to jump to the part you want to learn in this video. Companies have been doing fine with the on-premise clouds, but the risk it entails along, it is important to switch to newer means of saving your company's infrastructure. It can be agreed that cloud computing is synonymous to the strategic digital transformation. Cloud computing involves running, accessing, and storing data easily and simply. Let's get started with some reasons to choose cloud computing services. Cloud computing follows a pay-as-you-go billing model. This implies you only pay for the space you consume. You don't need personnel to maintain the hardware and software. Also, the best part is that you get better data security. You will not lose your data or codes or the integral software files even if it is on the cloud. Cloud provides security to your data along with utmost flexibility. This means you can tear down an environment or migrate to a new one very easily. You get automatic software updates in the cloud. While there are ample benefits of choosing cloud computing services over the on-premise clouds, cloud computing comes with its own risks. The dangers of API being hacked or a data leak or malware attacks can disrupt the data setup in the infrastructure. There are some amounts of risks in all types of clouds, be it public, private, multi, or hybrid model. Yet, choose the model that suits your and your organization's needs the most. Well, we do have some tips to share that will help you to keep your virtual belongings safe on the cloud. For instance, you can implement a multi-factor authentication and encrypt every link that you share within the cloud to maintain privacy. It is not a new fact to state that you must use good combination passwords and check their strength before setting them up. This will in turn reduce the chance of being hacked. And just how you have an onboarding procedure for new joinees, similarly, you must have a deboarding process when an employee leaves your organization. This will help you to ensure that no unauthorized person has the access to your cloud details. Now, out of so many cloud security services like AWS, Google Cloud Computing, Adobe, etc., how to choose the best cloud computing security company? A company that checks all the boxes of due experience, customer service, downtime resolving, disaster recovery and backups, scalability, and most importantly, good packages would be the best cloud computing service providing company. Choose Excellent Web World, the certified cloud security professional company for managing, automating, and monitoring your client's environment.